Guys, the profitability calculator, it's the way more perfect tool. There are everything related with the product. You can use it. It's really amazing tool. Why I'm saying we are gonna see. You can use it from here, like the com tools and the profitability calculator.
Mm-hmm.
You can see from here. Meanwhile, if you have the product sizes, you can see like 40, 30, maybe it's 4 kg. Meanwhile, you can change to inch or ounce or pound or gram or
Mm-hmm.
as you wish from here. It's very easy. That's the one. Next one is I wanna say this listing price. Let's suppose you are selling the price a product like $40, shipping cost, unit cost, like unit product cost, maybe I just put here like $8.
Mm-hmm.
Inbound shipping cost, you are shipping by ocean, probably you can ship $3. Other cost, if you have any cost, you can put here, maybe $1.
Mm-hmm.
PPC cost, if you have any PPC cost, which we put always. Why? PPC cost is kind of not exactly hiding cost. It could be 10%, 15% of total revenue, I mean tacos, or it could be 5%. A safe number if you are starting new product and at least put 10 or maybe 15%. This is the tacos. We say tacos, you can put here 10%. It's gonna affect your profitability at the end. Other cost, if you have anything, you can put the other cost here, maybe 0.5%, 0.5%, or the number you can put. Return, if you have, in the Seller Central, also in SellerSprite, you can find return rate. You can put the return rate here, or you can if you know your return processing fee, you can put here the like maybe three unit
Mm-hmm.
quantity. Like I need to put total sales units, then we I need to put the total units. Therefore, it's not accepting.
Mm-hmm.
If FBA fee, I will change it later. FBA fee, if there is contain lithium battery or anything, you can put here.
Mm-hmm.
Product is 30, 40, 40. Weight is maybe 3 kg or whatever the kg. Then we can apply, calculate.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where I pick, where I make a mistake, it's not changing. If it's 30, 40, 40, it's gonna be, yeah, this product is, maybe I put let's put it smaller, like 20, 10. According to price, it's kind of, uh, a,
Mm-hmm.
like the product you sell $40, the sizes I put, it's way more bigger.
Yeah,
I
of
need to
course.
update it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, but just for the example, it's okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here we calculate FBA fee. Okay, we can see the FBA fee like $8.96.
Mm-hmm.
So if your product hopefully not going, there is tariff or Trump tariff or whatever the number you have, you can put that percentage. Maybe there is 2% tariff for your product or what's the number. You can see you can put here.
Mm-hmm.
Then it's gonna calculate on the right side and they show you, okay, net profit for this product is 13.65. In October, it's 12. In January, September, it's 13. In October, it's 12. And whatever the number we put, it comes here.
Mm-hmm.
It shows ROI. It shows the sales, unit sold, inbound cost, other cost, PPC cost. For example, PPC cost we put here like 10%. It means we are gonna spend $4 for each product to sell. Doesn't matter organic or ad sales. We are gonna add advertising cost for all the products.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you sell 100 products, maybe 30 of those 100 products are from advertising, but we put those advertising costs for all the products
Yeah.
to compensate.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we have the clear the price and like how many the profit we have. We can see from here exactly. And then furthermore, you can use it as a product detail page, or you can use it in Amazon search page, any product. It's also free. You can use it. Just click here, FBA calculator,
Mm-hmm.
vpool, and it show everything to you. What we are not adding, purchasing cost. We don't know what's the purchasing cost, but let's suppose the purchasing cost is like $35.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this product weight, you see product weight is 2 kg 33 2.33 kg.
Mm-hmm.
Roughly, I always say you can multiply by two what's your product weight. So it's gonna be your shipping cost. Most of the time it's correct. Like then it's gonna be 4.66 for shipping. You are gonna pay. Other
Mm-hmm.
cost, if you have other cost, you can put here, like whatever the cost you have, you can put here, maybe $5 for you want to add here your packaging or designing or other cost, you can add 5.
Mm-hmm.
PPC cost, we always put here. Just pay attention, guys. You can put the PPC cost here. I'm gonna put here maybe 15% because
Mm-hmm.
of it's a high, uh, the, like the high types of item. It's expensive product. It means you need to pay a lot of money for PPC. 15% I put. If you have any promotional, you can put. Maybe you can do some discount or whatever like 3% you put here. Number of returns, or we pull this data from like this. Actually, this subcategory has 9.3% return rate. It's pretty high.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, we also always need to check this one, pay attention because return is one of the costs we need to understand since the
Mm-hmm.
beginning. Okay, we have referral fee automatically, FBA fee automatically, off peak season or peak season, or how it's changing. You can select, you see it's changing, and it show here base shipping fee, fuel and the logistic fee, etc. Amazon shows this one, and we got from Amazon. Storage time 1 month, and the tariff or duties or whatever. Maybe this product has like 3% duty. You
Mm-hmm.
can put it. Unit sold. Okay, if we sell this product, I'm not sure what's the product price is, but uh, I just put here $35. It
Yeah.
should be much expensive. If we sell this product, it's gonna have like $147 dollar profit. That's
Mm-hmm.
huge number. I just for curious, I wanna see what's this product price on
Mm-hmm.
Alibaba.
Mm-hmm.
To here, I have Alibaba Chrome extension and this baby monitor. Maybe no, not it's not the baby. It's baby monitor. Why? Let's check 1688 to see if there is in 1688 this product. Not actually.
Mm-hmm.
On on Alibaba, I crop it exactly all the products and they together. I just want to understand what's the product
Mm-hmm.
price.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Alibaba, it works with not this one. Let me, sorry guys, let me change the proper product. Yes, then we should calculate it easily. For
Sure.
example, this product, click to Alibaba, we are gonna find exactly same product on Alibaba. Yeah, 33, 37, 29, and 26, 53. It's like around the $40. If we calculate this one, just come back. Listing revenue. Oh, they are selling too much cheaper, $40 even.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Or let me check this product also quickly. What's this is also $30. Okay, if we calculate this one, $30,
Yeah,
just
it's different.
uh, a few number. We need to put a few number. Purchasing cost, $30. Uh, 30 shipping cost, it's almost 1 kg, so you can ship to Amazon $2. Other cost, if you have $1, other cost, put here PPC cost, you can put 10. Promotional, if you have, you can put a number of returns or other cost you can add. And you see this product has $65 profit. This is from one of the brands, so they are selling pretty expensive. Don't
Mm-hmm.
rely on that, but you can use uh, this calculator very easily. Most
Mm-hmm.
important part is, the PPC cost, very detailed. Every cost you can add here to get maximize your correct result. It's free, totally free. You can use it for your all the listing, and you can calculate any products profit.